Welcome back. So now that we have the send message function, which will send a message that a user is going to type, what about the messages that the chatbot will send to the user? Well, it's very simple. We can just create a function like this, but display it on the left side because it is going to be sent by the chatbot, not by the user. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to just create another function here called chatbot send message, and it's also going to take the same parameter, which is just a message text. And the good news is that it will have the exact code as the send message, but with a few differences. So I'm going to copy the complete code and paste it inside the chatbot send message function. And what we need to change, obviously, is the location. Instead of float right, it should be float left. And we also need to change here u. Instead of u, we can say chatbot or whatever you want to say here. Chatbot. And the message will be this message that you are going to just pass when you call this function. And let's test this function. In order to test this function, we can simply just call it. Let's call it here chatbot send message and just type any message. Hi from chatbot. And obviously this function is going to be executed once we run the JavaScript code. So let's now go to the browser and refresh. And as you can see, the message will be displayed on the left side and it's going to be by the chatbot.